To enable the brake pad replacement mode, turn on the ignition. Press the brake pedal and lift the handbrake button up 3 times. Then press the handbrake button down 3 times. These lights will come on. Then press and hold the handbrake button. You will hear the sound of the handbrake electric motors. Wait until this sound stops. All electric motors have stopped. Turn off the ignition and you can start replacing the pads. Loosen the wheel nuts. Raise the car with a jack. Place a safety stand. Remove the wheel. Disconnect the parking brake motor electrical connector. Unscrew the caliper bolts. Remove the caliper. Remove the brake pads. Press the caliper piston in. Carefully adjust the caliper piston as boot by releasing air from it. Check that the guide pins move freely. I will show the process of installing brake pads on the already removed mounting bracket, but you cannot remove it. Get new brake pads. Remove the anti-squeal plates from the old brake pads. Also remove the mounting spring from the old brake pad. Install the mounting spring onto the new brake pad. It is important to install the mounting spring in exactly the same place as on the old brake pad. Apply brake grease to the back of the brake pad. Install the anti-squeak plate. Apply brake grease to the edges of the brake pad. Install the brake pad into the mounting bracket. Do the same with the other brake pad. Install the brake caliper in place. Tighten the brake caliper bolts. Install the parking brake motor electrical connector. Unscrew the wheel nut. Install the wheel. Tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the car from the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts. Now you need to exit the brake pad replacement mode. To do this, turn on the ignition. Lift the parking brake button up and hold it. Wait until the parking brake motors are disengaged. Now exiting the mode is complete. The lights on the panel do not blink. Check the parking brake.